Let's look at problem number 1 from RT2 lesson 4. Now the first thing you're going to recognize is that this makes a beautiful Pythagorean theorem. It's x squared plus 24 squared equals, it equals this part of the tree. We don't know how long that is, but we do know that this part of the tree used to be right here. And altogether, these two parts of the tree made up 36 meters. So if I wanted to find x, or if I knew x, let's say that x was 10. In order to find this part, which I'll highlight in blue, I'd have to take 36, subtract 10 to get the blue part. Let's say x is 6. If x is 6, I'd have to take 36, subtract 6 to get the blue part. In fact, it doesn't matter how big x is. In order to get the blue part, I have to take 36 and subtract x. So let's write that over here. 36 subtract x. That is the length of my hypotenuse. So now we can solve this fairly easily. Okay, maybe not so easily, but x squared is on the left. 24 squared is 576, and I know that 36 minus x, in parentheses squared, is the same as 36 subtract x, because that's what it means to have a set of parentheses squared. Now, if you remember from last year, you know that you can't just multiply 36 times 36 and x times x and be done with it all, because you have to take 36 times not just this first term in the binomial, but the second term. So you will have 36 times 36 plus 36. Oh, no, that's wrong. This is 30. This subtract 36x. I'll just put that little negative in front. And then I also have to take the negative x times this and times that. So I'll end up with plus x squared and subtract 36x. So when I look at this, I can now add some like terms here. These two become negative 72x. 36 squared becomes, I don't know that one off the top of my head. You'll have to figure that out. We'll leave it as 36 squared for the moment. And I still have the x squared over here. On the left, I still have x squared plus 576. And now I want to start collecting my terms. So I know I've got an x squared over here. I want to subtract the x squared here from this side. But if I do it to one side, I must also do it to the other. That leaves me on the left with the number 576. I have a sneaky suspicion I'm going to want to get this to the other side. So I know I'm going to want to subtract 36 squared, whatever that turns out to be. And that will equal negative 72x. This equation right here is one that I know you can all solve.